Hi teachers, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your Twitter account. You're going to go to an internet tab and type in twitter.com, and here where it says new to Twitter, sign up, you're going to type in your full name. For your email address, if you're going to be using it for professional purposes, then you can use your Northside email. Since I already have an account with my Northside email, I'm going to put my home email. And then you'll create a password. Click sign up for Twitter. And then click sign up one more time. You can add your phone number or you can skip this step. Your username is going to be, it's called your handle, and it starts with the @ symbol, but you don't have to include the @ symbol here. I'm going to choose one of the ones that they've suggested, but you are welcome to choose whatever you'd like. It has to be unique, so if someone else has already chosen that username, you cannot use it, and it will just let you know whether or not someone has already chosen it. So for example, mine right now is Tech Coach Robles, and it's going to tell me this username is already taken because I have already used that in my other account. So I am going to instead choose erobles1245 and click next. And so it's just going to kind of welcome me. You're going to click let's go. And if you want to click some of the things that you're interested in, you can. I actually like to take these off since I use mine mostly for education or for my professional development. So I like to hand pick the accounts that I'm following. And so it's up to you though. Click continue. And then it's going to recognize some people that you possibly know. You can select or unselect whoever you would like. So, I know Yvonne Post, and I know some other people that I might keep that checked if I want to follow them. If I don't want to follow them, I can uncheck them. And if I don't want to follow any of the suggestions, I can uncheck all of them. Click continue once you've decided who you want to follow. Then you can add a photo if you would like to add a photo now. If not, you can always do this at a later time. So I'm going to skip this step because I don't have any photos saved to my computer, but whenever you want to add a photo, you can do that at a later time. So skip this step. Find people you know. It's kind of funny because it's finding myself. I'm going to skip this step as well. If you want to go through your Gmail, you can look through your Gmail and see people that you know. I'm going to hand pick mine, so I'm going to skip this step. And then it found some more people that it thinks that I know. You can keep those checked if you want to follow them. Again, if you don't want to follow them all at once, you can unselect them. Either way, it's up to you. All right, so it has set up. This is my Twitter page now. If I want to go back and add a picture later, I would just click here and then upload a photo. Or if I have a webcam on my computer, I can add a photo that way. It is going to ask you to kind of verify the information, and so they do send an email to your email account, and you just simply click on it and confirm that yes, it is you that set up your Twitter account. In order to this, let me show you some of the tabs here. The home button is going to be kind of like your news feed. So what will happen is all the people that you're following, all of their tweets will show up here. Now, I'm not following anyone right now, and so there aren't any tweets that are showing up. You'll find Moments tab, what's going on in the world. Notifications are going to be like when someone favorites something that you tweeted, or if someone mentions you in a tweet, then you'll get a notification. And you can also set this up to happen on your cell phone as well. Messages are private messages that you can send to someone on Twitter, and no one else can see it, just you and the person that you're messaging. And if you want to mess with any of these settings, you can click here. This is typically where your picture will be if you've already included a picture. It's where your profile and settings are. And if you click settings here, you can change your handle here. So if you decide that you don't like your handle, then you can change it here. You can change your email, you can change your time zone, all of those different things. Then here on the left-hand side, you can change your privacy information. You can change the mobile phone notifications. And since I didn't put a phone number to start with, it doesn't have one in there, but I would just put my phone number and then click continue, and it will let you decide what types of texts you want to get. So if you want to get a text every time someone favorites something that you tweeted, then you can get those. Also, email notifications are here. Okay, so if you want to actually send out a tweet, you're going to go here to the tweet button, and it looks similar on the cell phone. It has the little feather there, and so you'll type your tweet. I'm tweeting. You'll want to include some sort of hashtag here. It could be hashtag first tweet. We'll talk a lot more about hashtags on a later video. You can add pictures here. You would just click here, and then you would go to My Computer and find all of your pictures or a picture that you would like to include. Just a couple of reminders about what you're tweeting. You cannot edit a tweet. You can only delete it and retweet. So if you make a mistake, that's okay. You can delete it and create a new one, but you can't go back and just edit it. You have 140 characters on your tweet, so that includes punctuation, that includes spaces. So you really have to be short and sweet with your tweets, which I like. So once you're done with your tweet, you'll click tweet, and anyone that is following you will be able to see your tweets. I'm going to go back to my home button. And here's me. Here's my very first tweet. And so again, everyone that's following me will be able to see that. Now, if you want to follow someone, like if you're looking to follow someone and you know what their handle is, which again is starting with that @ sign, then you would type that in here. So again, let's say I want to follow myself, my professional account. So I would do @TechCoachRobles. And here I am. And then I would just click follow. And so now, when I go back to my home button, I'm going to see all the tweets from Tech Coach Robles here. Okay, so let's say I want to follow Dana Bickley. I would click follow here. And then if I go back to my home button, now I will be able to see some tweets from Dana Bickley and from Tech Coach Robles, because I already followed her as well. You'll notice some other names popping up here, and it's because Dana has retweeted some of these tweets. So you'll also be able to see all of the things that she has retweeted. Okay, so there's kind of a little general overview of using Twitter. As far as sending out your tweets, let's say that there is something that I really like. So I really like this tweet that says, "I appreciate everything that appreciate everything that you have." If I really like that, I can click the heart button, which would be like I like it. You can also click the retweet button, and there are two options here. You can just retweet it, and it will have just this information, or you can add a comment to it. So I can say, "Love this," and I can click tweet, and then that will send both this tweet and my tweet out all together. So that's kind of nice if you want to, mention someone. So I love this, and you'll see that Coach Moran put this, so I'm going to mention him, Tech Coach _ Moran. and then I can tweet that out and it will send a notification